Thank you, though. All right, so area and circumference. So, um, this won't, thank you. This won't come out to be perfect, but draw a circle. And, yes. Say again. Yes, but I won't wait for you. I'm going to continue with the notes, even if you go. So we have a couple of things. We have the radius. And a radius is the length from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So circles don't have sides. Essentially what a circle is a collection of points. The same distance from the center. That distance is the radius. Yes, ma'am. Yes, for circumference. Yeah, we'll get to there in just a minute. Has everyone written the part about the radius? Radius? Has everyone written that part? Okay. So, what about the diameter? Does anyone know what the diameter? What? Yes. Does anyone want to tell me what they know about the diameter? Yeah. What do you know? Yeah, it goes. It's the length from one point on the circle through the center to another point. Oops. On the circle. So you have the center, and then if you were going to create the circle, it'd be the same. It'd be this. You could say this would be your radius. So then you would make the same radius here, put a point, same radius, and you basically get all these points, and that creates a circle. All the same distance away, called the radius. So here's your center, and the diameter goes through through a point on the circle, through your center to another point on the circle. It's not half the circle. I know a lot of people sometimes say it's half the circle. What it is it cuts the circle in half. That's what it does. It's not half the circle, but it cuts it in half. So this whole thing is your diameter, and half of your diameter is the radius. So diameter divided by 2 is your radius. So one of the things that we'll do today is circumference. Circumference is length of a circle. It's kind of like the perimeter. So if you had a circle, circumference would be this length around the circle. That'd be circumference around the circle. Circumference. And circumference, you could think of it as pi times the diameter, or circumference is 2 pi r. She was in a hurry. So let's do an example. Did y'all see a sub? You did see a sub for them? Okay. So let's just say that they give you the diameter. The diameter is 10. So then you would say your circumference is pi times 10, your diameter. You could put that in a calculator, or you could just leave it as 10 pi. The more math classes you take, they'll want this.